Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this bright look. It's actually a Perrie Edwards makeup tutorial. I will show you the photo right now. This is it. I saw on her Instagram. I was stalking her. I was like, I want to do a look inspired by her because I literally love Perrie Edwards. I love Little Mix. I wanted to do a look inspired by her. I was stalking through her Instagram trying to find some cool looks, and I saw that one and I was like, oh my god, I'm in love with it. Need to film it right now. So that is what I've done for you guys. I really hope you guys do like how it turned out. I had a few problems with the yellow shade because I sprayed it with Fix Plus, not knowing that you shouldn't mix that shade with Fix Plus, and it completely separated and went weird on my eyelid. So yeah, that happened, but hopefully it's all fine now. I can feel my eyelash lifting. That's not cute. If you guys do already like the look of this video, remember to like, comment and subscribe if you are new here. Also do turn on my little post notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my uploads. And I think that's it. I think that's all I have to say. All my social medias are in the description box, but you guys know that already. And yeah, if you want to see how to get this Perrie Edwards makeup look, just keep on watching because that's what I show you guys today. Hope you have an amazing rest of the day, rest of the week, rest of the year, wherever you may be in the world, and just keep on watching to see how to get this colourful Perrie look. Okay, bye guys, love you. Mwah. Guys, a little disclaimer, I literally was just like taking selfies to use as the thumbnail, and I realized my eyeshadows creased so badly because I sprayed them with Fix Plus. So if in the intro and outro my eyeshadows looked creased, I fixed them. It's not supposed to be like that. Didn't realize. Soz guys, sorry about that. Just a little disclaimer, I know they're creased, so don't tell me. And that's not a good look, and I know, so don't worry about that. That was so sassy, I'm so sorry, but yeah, sorry about that. Hey guys, so I've already started off with my eyes primed. Please ignore the color difference. Basically it's summer, so I've got a tan, natural tan, not fake tan, but I always wear foundation so the sun can't penetrate through my 30 layers of makeup. Real tea, genuine thing. Ignore this little thing going on, we'll fix it in a minute. Yeah, so as I said in the intro, this is going to be a Perrie Edwards makeup tutorial. The look that I was inspired by was this colorful rainbow, really cute makeup look. So that is what I was inspired by. The makeup artist is Heidi North Makeup on Instagram. I saw it on Perrie's feed from a couple months back and it just looked really cute. So without blabbering too much, it's not too clear, the look, but I will do what I can. And yeah, I'm gonna go in with Quench from the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette to start off with, which is the bright yellow shade. This is the best yellow I've found, so that's why I'm using this one. I might spray it with some Fix Plus actually. Just spraying it with some Fix Plus because I think I put a bit too much powder on my eyelids when I set my concealer, and I'm bringing this really far up. Perrie has very different eye shape to me, so I'll try and copy it as much as possible. I might bring you guys in a little bit closer. I don't want to bring you guys in too close because last time I brought you guys in so close and I was out of frame basically the whole video and I didn't even realize. Real tea. Also, if you can hear noise, it's my air conditioner. It's so hot in England right now. Sentence you never normally hear me say. Ugh. It goes weird when you put Fix Plus on it, this shade. I'm gonna use my finger. Oh yeah, that's so much better, guys. Use your finger. And then I'm gonna blend the edges very lightly just with a, what is this? Luxe Crease Brush by Zoeva. So there's no orange in the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette. Like there's peaches but not oranges. So I'm gonna go with my Morphe 35B and I'm picking up this shade right here. I think they actually discontinued this, the 35B, and they're coming out with a new palette. I would obviously recommend getting the 35B, but if you don't have it, then they are coming out with a new palette. I wonder if it's like good. Apparently it's supposed to be like even better than the 35B, so I really want to try it because I love bright colors. Okay, I'm gonna pick up some of this peachy shade right here called Bitch with like 20 eyes. Oh, this brush is wet. Okay, so that was a Zoeva Petite Crease brush, so I'm gonna move on to a different Zoeva Petite Crease brush. This one's hopefully dry. It is cute. And I'm gonna put this in the outer corner and start blending. And then I'm just gonna keep packing on those 3 shades until they're at the color that I want them to be. So I want this look to be slightly more pink on the outer corner, so I'm gonna go in with the Life's Drag palette. I'm gonna pick up the shade KK because I love this pink. By the way guys, there are literally all these shades in the 35B palette. I don't know why I've gone between 3 palettes. I just had them all out, so that's just what I've been doing. But you could literally use all of these shades just from the 35B. Okay, cool. I'm gonna go ahead, do this eye off camera, do this eye off camera, and then I'll be back to do my face. Okay, so I just zoomed you guys out a little bit. Don't worry about the eyeshadow. I'm gonna blend it more after the foundation is on, like on the outer corner. From the looks of the photo, her skin looked quite naturally dewy. So I'm gonna take my Born This Way and mix it with my Makeup Forever stick. As always, this is like my favorite combination. So yes, I'm gonna paint this one all over my face. We love a full coverage, sister. And then I'm gonna put a pump of this on the back of my hand. By the way, that was in the shade Y365, and this is in warm nude. As you guys can see, this is a bit light for me because I need to match it to my neck. So I'm just gonna bounce that all over my skin with a beauty blender. And I'm picking some of the Born This Way up when I'm doing this. It's crazy though, because we hit 1K like a month ago, maybe. Just over a month ago we hit 1K. And now we're already on almost 1.4. Just crazy to me. Like, it means so much to me, like all you guys who have already subscribed. And if you haven't, please do remember to, because I really do want to keep doing this and I'm going to work on it as much as I can. And also leave in the comments some video ideas for me. I want to do some more hair videos, like some quick, easy hair videos. And then I also want to do a festival video. I'm going to Sundown. Let me know if you guys are going to any. Also, let me know if there's any other Perrie looks that you would want to see, because obviously this one she doesn't wear a lot. If you want more of a natural, everyday Perrie look, then let me know, because I was going to do that as well, but I saw this on her Instagram and I was like, I have to do it. Rainbow, it's calling my name. So under my eyes I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade light medium, just for that coverage. And then I'm going in with the Born This Way in the shade light under my eyes, over the top of that Tarte Shape Tape to help brighten a little bit. I'm taking it on my moustache area as well, because I like that to be nice and bright. I don't like any darkness there. Center my forehead, down my nose. I don't normally do this, I don't know why I am, but chin as well, why not? It's gonna be a full coverage sister today. Once again, going with my beauty blender. Powder I'm gonna be using is my Too Faced Born This Way powder. Love this thing. It's so like glowy. I used to think it gives flashback, and it does if you like bake it really heavily, but if you don't, it doesn't. So yeah, it's so good because I'm trying to get a dewy finish as well. It really helps with that. Pressing it all over my skin. I'm using my beauty blender. I think this really helps to make the powder like melt into your skin. Also, because this is a little Perrie Edwards Little Mix tutorial, let me know if there's any other Little Mix members you'd like to see, any other celebrities or anything like that. I love Little Mix, guys. Like, I'm such a little fangirl. My favourite song is probably that one that's got Charlie Puth on it.
Oops, baby, you woke up in my bed. I got these feelings like it's nothing, you know I can't get enough of you.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows and eyelashes off of camera really quickly, and I'll be back with you to do the rest of the face. But yeah. Okay, so the lashes are on. I use Lily Lashes Goddess. Hers did look a bit more wispy than Goddess, but my Miamis were like a bit destroyed, so I didn't want to put those on. I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion now in the shade 25i. In the photo, she doesn't look very bronzed, but I think that is probably just the filter on it. She definitely has a lot of contour and like bronze going on in her cheeks. Doesn't look like that much on her forehead, but it might just be like the angle and the lighting. So I'm going to go ahead and bronze. Hers looked quite warm toned, which is why I'm using this. And I also need to bronze because of this little sitch I have going on. My foundation is going patchy on my nose. Love that. Okay, I'm going to go in with Give Me Sun now a little bit more, just to add some more bronziness. Just that warmth that she had going on in her cheeks. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of Gold Deposit to give that like glowiness that she had going on as well. Okay, I'm going to go in with Kiki from the Life's a Drag palette, which is this turquoisey shade right here. And then I'm going to go in with Fishy, which is the darker blue right there. I want more of a slightly green shade. So I'm going to go with my 35B, and I'm going to pick up this green shade right here. I'm going to apply that between the yellow and that Kiki shade. Didn't take this down very far, so I'm going to keep it quite close. I'm going to highlight now. Yeah, you can't really see her highlight in this photo because of the angle that it's taken at, so I'm just going to go with my Anastasia highlighter, the Amrezy one. This is like my favorite one, and this is a Morphe R36. Such a good highlight. I'm going to highlight my nose as well. As always, I love a good old nose highlight. I'm going to take it under my brow bone, to give a little something right at the arch. Okay, lips. She wore like a matte neutral nude kind of, so give me a second. Okay guys, so the only thing left to do is lips, and I'm going to take Jeffree Star Mannequin. Okay, so I do feel like it needs to be a bit more warm toned, the lips. I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Melted Latex lip in the shade Hopeless Romantic. Okay, cool guys, so that is the end of today's video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, remember to like, subscribe and comment, and do share this video with all your friends and turn on my little post notification bell as well. That was so much promo just then, I can't even deal. Also, if you do recreate this look by any means, tag me in your photos on Instagram and I would really appreciate that, because all my social medias are just linked in the description box below. Yeah, also if you do want any more looks inspired by any celebrities or any more Perrie looks or any more Little Mix looks, please do just let me know in the comments and I will make sure to do those. But yeah, other than that, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys have an amazing rest of the day, rest of the week, rest of the year, wherever you may be in the world, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.
Until you find your way back home.